Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate Pythagoras theorem in Fortran program. Pythagoras theorem is a theorem which is very useful in mathematics and engineering and all aspect of practical life, daily life. Okay, and the Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of squares of two sides making 90 degree of right angle triangle is equal to square of third side opposite to the right angle. That is, for given right angle triangle having sides P, B and H, Pythagoras theorem says that square of H is equal to square of B plus square of P. Okay, and this is called Pythagoras theorem. And you can see the figure. Two sides makes an angle of 90 degree, and the third side is just opposite to the 90 degree angle, that is h, so that h square is equal to p square plus b square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Let's go to Fortran program. I have prepared a file, Fortran file, named as Pythagoras theorem pythagoras.f90. Let me open this file first. Okay, this is the code. This file contains the codes that helps you to demonstrate the Pythagoras theorem. First of all, let me run this program on terminal. Okay, for that let me open the terminal on this folder. So to run the program, Fortran program, we need to type load Fortran program on the terminal and just type the file name, Fortran file name, that is pythagoras.f90 that I have already prepared. Okay, and then press enter. The program is correct. Okay, now to see the output, we have to type this much. Okay, and then after pressing enter, it shows like this, Pythagoras theorem, and that means h square is equal to p square plus b square, and this figure shows the right angle triangle having sides p, perpendicular p, base b and hypotenuse h. Okay, now the question is, what do you want to find out? Okay, you want to find out h, or you want to find out p, or you want to find out b on the basis of the values of two sides. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate one sides if values of two sides are given. So this program says enter 1 to calculate hypotenuse h, enter 2 to calculate perpendicular p, and enter 3 to calculate base b, or enter any other keys to exit. Okay, if you if I click other numbers except this 1, 2 and 3, for example, let me enter here 4 and press enter, the program closes. Okay, oh, you enter wrong number, it says run the program again. So I want to run the program again. Okay, it again shows the same thing, and this time let me show you calculating the value of hypotenuse for given p and h, p and b. Okay, so for that I need to enter here 1 and press enter, and to find h, enter values of p and b. So let's suppose that we have provided value of b as 3 and value of p as 5, sorry 4. Then after typing this much, so just press enter, and the program shows the value of h for right angle triangle having p is equal to 3. Okay, p is equal to 3 and p is equal to 4 is 5. Okay, and this is the value of hypotenuse. Similarly, you can find out the other values. So this time let me find out value of p. Okay, for this I need to enter here 2 and press enter. Okay, to find value of p, that is perpendicular, we have to provide the value of h and b. Okay, now why this is called perpendicular p? Because If we suppose this angle, then the angle opposite to this angle which is made by the hypotenuse and base, and the angle opposite, the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular, and the side opposite to the angle made by this perpendicular and this base is as hypotenuse, and the sides opposite to this angle between this perpendicular side and hypotenuse is b or base. Okay, so this is called, p means perpendicular, b means base, and h means hypotenuse. So to find p intervalues of h and b, okay, we have to provide here value of h. Let me suppose this value is 10, and b may let b be 6. Okay, and after typing this much, press enter, and the value of p for right angle triangle having h is equal to this much, and this much, b is this 6 is equal to 8. So in this way you can demonstrate the Pythagoras theorem in Fortran program as well. So now let me explain the codes for this program. So I have program named the Fortran program as Pythagoras. Okay, and this program helps us to write codes for Pythagoras theorem in Fortran. Okay, so there is implicit none, and we have, I defined here 3 values, p, h, and b, perpendicular, hypotenuse, and b of 3 sides of triangle, and integer is also defined here. And from this to up to this is nothing but to display the figure of right angle triangle this much, and after that these 3 steps are given for these instructions. Okay, and we have to provide the number of n for calculating the different values. Okay, for example, if you enter n is equal to 1, and then this step takes you to this. Okay, and it says to find h, enter value of p and b. This step is for calculating value of h, hypotenuse. Similarly, if n is equal to 2, then this step takes you to this 200. Okay, and it is for finding out the value of p. Okay, and similarly, if n is equal to 3, then it takes to this step, and this step is to find the value of b on the basis of given h and p. Okay, so this is very simple program, and let me run the program again. Okay, this time let calculate the value of b. Okay, to enter 3 to calculate base. Okay, base means b here, so 3. Okay, to find b we have to enter values of h and p. So let h be 5 and p be 3, and press enter. Then the value of b for given for right angle triangle having hypotenuse as equal to 5, and p is equal to 4 unit. Okay, this value must be in centimeter or meter. Okay, because these values are length or sides. Okay, and the value of b is 3 units, or you can say 3 centimeter, 3 meter. Okay, in this way you can also demonstrate Pythagoras theorem in Fortran program. Similarly, you can also use the values that gives you answer in point. Okay, for example, here I want to show you to find b. For that we need to provide value of h. Let value of h is 11, and value of b be, let it be 5. Okay, then it gives you the value of b as 9.79 79795933. units. Okay, this is value of b. In this way you can demonstrate Pythagoras theorem in Fortran program. If you found this video, please like the video, and if you have any suggestions on the basis of this video, then you can leave the comment on comment box, comment section. And if you found this video helpful, you can share it with your friends. Thank you so much. We will see you in next video.